Instagram, you think you're slick. Filters so thick, it's a selfie trick. Highlight reels, fake meals on display. Your life's a vibe, or just cliche. TikTok's here, short form king, but your dance trends over the same thing. Renegade this, do it for the views. You're just a Vine copy with more bad news. App wars, throwing shade. Instagram flex, TikTok parade. Who's the champ? The crowd can't choose. One's for the clout, the other's for the snooze. IG influencer sipping matcha tea, posting quotes, live, laugh, be me. But let's be real, it's a humble brag. Your raw moments come with a hashtag. TikTok duets, stitch me this, over edited jokes that always miss. Trends so cringe, they die in a week. Your For You page, more like for the week. App wars, throwing shade. Instagram flex, TikTok parade. Who's the champ? The crowd can't choose. One's for the clout, the other's for the snooze. Snapchat's ghost still haunting the game. Facebook's grandpa is feeling the shame. MySpace laughs from the grave it calls home. At least I died young, I'm a digital stone. Instagram's polished, TikTok's raw. Neither can fix your fatal flaw. Chasing trends, likes and views. The real winner, it ain't you. App wars, throwing shade. Instagram flex, TikTok parade. Who's the champ? The crowd can't choose. One's for the clout, the other's for the snooze.